Good morning everyone, my name is Gemini C. Galindo. Today I will going to discuss about the topic entitled traffic lights. But first, before we proceed to the topic, I will just give you a review about what is traffic light. Traffic light is one of the most common signaling in the road. It is a signaling device positioned at road intersection, pedestrian lane, and other location which controls the flows of the traffic. It is important to learn the basic signs in the road for us to avoid accidents. So imagine when there's no traffic lights or traffic light doesn't exist, the road will gonna be messed up because we don't know who will gonna be the first one to across the intersection. So the road will gonna be not organized or chaotic in that case. So we should be thankful because traffic light exists. There are three important things to be remembered in this topic. So first is red means stop, yellow means caution, and green means go. So without further ado, let's start our discussion. So the first one is steady red. It means that you need to stop at the designated line. If the red light appears in front of you, it means that you need to make a full stop and wait till the light turns green. It is also indicate that the vehicle in the other side will start crossing the intersection. And also expected that the pedestrian will cross the pedestrian lane. Unless specified, you may turn right after making a full stop to clear the traffic in the left. If you made a full stop, you may turn right if there's no red arrow saying that you are not allowed to turn right. So the important thing you need to remember is when there is red light, the only thing you do is stop and wait till the light turns green. That's all. So steady green. So the second one is steady green. It is completely opposite to the steady red. Steady green means go. It is turned for the vehicle in the other lane to stop, and pedestrians are not allowed to cross the pedestrian lane in front of you. So when you see a steady green or solid green, you may proceed without stopping. You must not stop or slow down, but within the speed limit. When you see a steady green, proceed. But before you accelerate, take a second and look both ways to see if the path is clear. So that's all. The important things you need to remember is when you see a green light, it means go. But before you go straight to the path, make sure that you must look both ways to ensure that it is clear to proceed. So that's all. So the third one is steady green arrow. It means that drivers making a turn have the right of way. And it also means that you may go in the direction of the arrow, and that no often traffic should be conflict with your movement. So when you see a steady green arrow pointed in any direction, you may go where the steady green arrow is pointed and you have the right of way. So the fourth one is steady yellow. So it means that traffic is about to stop. So if you are within the solid white lane, you must proceed quickly before the light changes to red. So if you're not close to the light, slow down, and prepare to stop. So this is the time where the vehicle in the other lane will be giving a go signal shortly. So if there is a steady yellow light appear in front of you, slow down and prepare to stop. So the fifth one is flashing red. So this is the same with the stop sign. Stop at the designated line. Vehicle from the other side will be start crossing, and then expect pedestrian to cross the pedestrian lane. So the sixth one is flashing yellow. So this is the same with yield sign. So proceed through the intersection with caution, and you have the right of way over a flashing light. So expect that the vehicle in the other lane to proceed after making a full stop. So the last one is the steady green or steady left and right arrow. So vehicles can go straight, or vehicles from on the left lane can make a left turn, or it can be opposite. Vehicles from the right lane can make a right turn. And then the green light signal might or might not have a road signal, this allowing a right turn while the red light is on. So that would be all. Thank you. So as a summary for what I have discussed, so there are only 3 things you need to remember. So which is red means stop, yellow means caution, and green means go. So it is important to learn what is the traffic light because it saves lives and avoid accident. And lastly, it is the one that makes our road organized and safe. So that would be all. Thank you.